Hello and welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 3i plus 5 is greater than 11. We will show you how to determine the solution in both inequality form and interval notation. So let's get started. We start with the inequality 3i plus 5 greater than 11. Our goal is to solve for I, which means we need to get I by itself on one side of the inequality. First, we need to isolate the term that includes I. Currently, 3i is added to 5 on the left side of the inequality. To do this, we subtract 5 from both sides of the inequality. Subtracting 5 from both sides helps to remove the constant term on the left side. Let's do the subtraction. 3i plus 5 minus 5 is greater than 11 minus 5. Simplifying this, we see that 5 minus 5 is 0, so we're left with 3i on the left side. On the right side, 11 minus 5 is 6. So now the inequality changes to 3i greater than 6. In the next step, we will solve for I by isolating it further. The interval notation form of the solution will be explained in following steps. To solve for I, we need to isolate I by itself. Currently, the inequality is 3i greater than 6. To do this, we need to eliminate the coefficient of 3 that is attached to I. We can achieve this by dividing both sides of the inequality by 3. Dividing both sides by 3 helps to scale down the coefficient of I to 1. Let's perform the division. When we divide 3i by 3, we get I. When we divide 6 by 3, we get 2. So now the inequality changes to I greater than 2. This means I is greater than 2. To express this in interval notation, we use the format to represent all numbers greater than 2. The interval starts just after 2 and goes to positive infinity. So in interval notation, the solution is from 2 to infinity. To summarize, our solution is I greater than 2, or in interval notation from 2 to infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.